Guys, I'm about to test drive the McLaren Elva. And then after the Elva, we're gonna do the fastest car on planet, the Remac. 0 to 60, 1.8 seconds, guys. Almost 2,000 horsepower. But this is sweet. Nearly 2,000 horsepower Remac. I just drove insanely fast. Wow. Alright guys, I did it. This thing's huge. It's 9 feet by 12 feet. Look at this. It's enough for the whole family and the in-laws. It's gonna be a good night. Are you kidding me? My God. Oh, great. My sprinkler system. Not nice.